is this? What is this? Playing with water in the airlines. In this.
Sir.
What is this? You see?
Sir, excuse me, sir, what
I'm
happened?
completely dressed.
Sir, it's okay, sir.
क्या है?
Can we send tissues, please?
कौन सी चीज है ये?
Sir, what happened? Okay. Sir.
ये क्या है?
Sir, please get up. I'll change your seat, sir. It's okay.
देखिए
I agree, sir. ये लीजिए टिश्यू ले लीजिए टिश्यू पॉज लीजिए
What is this?
आइए अब खड़े हो जाइए सर come I'll change your seat wait
What is this?
Sir, there's no water, it's
all
fine.
of you see. What is
Sir,
this airline?
I agree, sir.
No question happening.
Wait.
See, madam. See, miss.
Sir.
Oh, what?
Actually, the bottle was open, so it was dripping. It's nothing. It's just a water, sir. Calm down, sir. Calm down.
Are you sure
Yes,
what
sir,
you are
sir.
talking about?
Yes, sir. It was a water bottle which was kept over
This
here.
is the way you do things in this airlines.
Sir, basically,
You
somebody
are
have
what?
kept.
You are the air hostess.
Yes,
You are
sir.
not trained. You are not trained properly.
Sir, I'm so
What is
sorry
this?
about it, sir. Sir, please
Tell
settle
me,
down.
what
Come,
is this?
Come, sir, please. Sir, have a seat. Sir, have a seat. It's fine. Totally fine.
See,
Sir, you can sip some more tissue, sir. It's fine.
see.
Can I know whose water bottle is this? Is it yours, ma'am?
क्या करेगा तुम्हें? तेरे शरीर में गिराएगा
It's
तो
okay,
क्या करेगा तू?
Sir,
हाथ तरीका पानी
Sir,
का
sir, it's
शराब गिराएगा।
sir, that's fine.
शराब गिरा